how you can create multiple folders in under 30 seconds. So hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Now here I have a list of 50 names and I need to make folders for all of them. If I do this manually, it's going to take a while. So to do this quickly, I am first going to free the column that comes after this name section. Now within the first cell, type in capital MD, press space, and then inside double inverted commas or quotation mark, type in the full name of the first folder. Now press enter and then press the Ctrl+E button. As soon as you press this button, all of the remaining names will also be kept inside this make directory format. Now all that's left to do is copy all of these by selecting the entire column and pressing Ctrl+C. Now open up Notepad and then paste it in. After this, go into File and click on Save As. Now just navigate to the directory where you want to create your folders. Now you can save it as any file name that you wish, but the important step is you will need to use the .bat extension. So instead of using the .txt, simply switch it with .bat. Now click on Save, and now you can open up this folder where you will find your batch file. You can then just double click, and now your folders have been created. By using this process, you can create thousands of folders in under 30 seconds. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.